Welcome to the Friday Five with Steve Greenfield on CBT News.
Welcome to this week's Friday Five, where we recap the last week's automotive technology deals. This is Steve Greenfield from Automotive Ventures, and thanks for joining us. Well, we're down to the final round of the Automotive Ventures March Madness contest on LinkedIn, where you get to vote for the early stage auto tech company that you think is most likely to achieve a $1 billion exit someday. The two remaining companies are Shyft Automotive and KnowSmoke, both of which have been past companies to watch here on the Friday Five. Head on over to the Automotive Ventures LinkedIn page to get your vote in for your favorite early stage auto tech company. In the biggest investment news of the last week, and a story that will probably prove to be the biggest news of the year, CDK Global announced an agreement to be acquired by Brookfield Business Partners in a deal with an enterprise value of $8.3 billion. Under the terms of the deal, CDK shareholders will receive $54.87 for each CDK share that they own. That price represents a 12% premium to Wednesday's closing price of $48.99 and implies a market capitalization for CDK of $6.41 billion. CDK CEO Brian Krzanich stated that in consultation with their outside advisors, CDK's board of directors carefully evaluated a range of strategic and financial alternatives over several months and determined that this transaction is superior to all other available alternatives. CDK stock has rallied 17.4% year to date, while the S&P 500 has lost 6%. Next up this week, Turo, the San Francisco-based car rental company, announced that it recently raised $35.2 million in a venture round. The latest round brings the company's total funding to $502.6 million. Terms of this latest funding were not disclosed. Back in January, Fortune magazine reported that Turo had filed for an IPO. Rather than list on the tech-heavy NASDAQ for its blockbuster $13.7 billion IPO this November, the car-sharing platform plans to list under the ticker symbol TURO on the New York Stock Exchange, with Wall Street banks Morgan Stanley and JP Morgan underwriting the sale. AutoSled, the modern automotive digital logistics marketplace, has closed a $5 million Series A round as the company continues its mission to revolutionize the automotive transport marketplace. Leading the round was Lyndon Reeve, who notably co-founded SolarCity, which is now called Tesla Energy, along with his brother Pete and his cousin Elon Musk. Finally this week, Porsche has joined a group of investors making a $260 million equity bet on a startup that aims to harness wind power to make a gasoline substitute. Porsche is investing $75 million for a 12.5% stake in electricity-based fuel developer Shyft Global, who is building a plant in Chile to produce electricity-based synthetic fuels from hydrogen and carbon dioxide using wind energy starting mid-year this year. The firm also attracted backing from funds managed by CDK Global Energy Partners, Baker Hughes, and majority shareholder Andes Mining and Energy of Chile. Shyft Global plans to build 12 commercial sites in Texas, Chile, and Australia, representing $50 billion of investments to produce 150,000 barrels of fuel a day using 25 gigawatts of renewables and about 25 million tons per year of carbon dioxide. So with that, let's transition to our companies to watch. Every week, we highlight interesting companies in the automotive tech space to keep an eye on. If you read my monthly industry intel report, I showcase a few companies each month, and we take the opportunity here on the Friday Five to share some of those companies each week with you. Today, we have two companies to watch: Designated Driver and Thumbs Up. Our first company to watch this week is Designated Driver. Designated Driver is designed to be integrated with any autonomous vehicle technology by adding real-time, human-operated control of virtually any autonomous or remote vehicle. Designated Driver provides hardware, operational and communication software, integration services, and 24/7 remote operations for virtually any vehicle anywhere. Check out Designated Driver at www.designateddriver.ai. Our second company to watch this week is Thumbs Up. Businesses today need a better, more efficient way to generate great referrals and great reviews by utilizing the power of their customers' social media connections of friends and family. The Thumbs Up referral system is the engine that drives those valuable warm referrals, fills the lead funnel, and converts those leads to profitable sales. Check out Thumbs Up at www.getathumbsup.com. So that's your weekly Friday 5, a quick wrap up of the big deals in the automotive technology space over the past week. Thank you for tuning in to CBT News for this week's Friday 5, and we'll see you next week.
Thanks for joining us for another edition of the Friday 5.